Right now, it's cake time, so we're going to be making a peach and raspberry sponge. We're going to be using some tinned peaches from the cupboard, and we've also kept some raspberries we found with a yellow sticker in the local shop, been in the freezer a couple of weeks, but they'll be perfect for this recipe. Right, first of all, we've preheated the oven at 170, so that's ready when we need it. So let's get our sponge tin. We're going to quickly just get a little bit of butter, pinch it, wipe it all around the sides, head for in a bit, quickly do that, and then put that to one side for after. Okay, so first of all, we're going to put butter with the sugar, and we're going to mix this into a quick buttercream. Right, once we get to our buttercream, we want to add 1 egg at a time. Give it a mix. And then another. And then the last egg. To the bowl, we're just going to add our vanilla essence. And then just a little stir in. And then we're going to sieve 150 grams of flour. So all the measurements of the flour, sugar, and the butter are exactly the same measurements. So just fold it in carefully. You don't want to over stir it. And there's our batter ready for our cake tin. So let's pour this into the tin. Right, so we have the batter. We've evenly spooned that in all around the edges. And then what we're going to do is, at this point, we can use whatever fruit we'd like to use. Use blueberries, use whatever you want, tinned fruit, any tinned fruit, pears, anything like that will go down brilliantly. I'm going to put these on top because hopefully the sponge will grow over the top of it. So we're just going to place these in anyway. You can do patterns if you like. I'm not too worried. And then we're just going to place a few of these raspberries. There we go, so that's all ready. So that can go in the oven now, 35 to 40 minutes at 170, fan assisted. Okay, so after 35 to 40 minutes, this is what we're left with. So let's just carefully prise it out of the tin. There we go. And then a little bit of drizzle of cream over the top. And there is our peach and raspberry sponge. Ooh. I'm not just saying it. Nice. That is nice.